I had a question on number 3, and this one is missing like tons of terms. It's actually a pretty nasty division problem. So let me go through the setup first. I'm going to divide this first thing by the second thing. So for this, we're missing the x term. So if you see right here where I set it up, x cubed, x squared, and then I need to do that 0x as a placeholder so I don't mess myself up, and then the minus 1. And then for the x to the fifth minus x squared, so there's my x to the fifth, and then fourth and third are placeholders. There's the minus x squared, and then 0x and 0. So I'm just counting down 5, 4, 3, 2, invisible 1, and then this is actually x to the 0. So we're just counting down powers so that we have everything represented. And then I went and did some long division. So let me try to talk through what I did here. So when we're looking at just pretend like all the rest of it isn't written yet, and I would just look right here and say, what do I got to multiply x cubed by to make it look exactly like x to the fifth? So that would be an x squared. And so I know to put that over my x squareds here. So that's where I have this x squared. So I go x squared times x cubed, there's the x to the fifth. X squared times negative x squared makes negative x to the 4. X squared times nothing makes nothing. X squared times negative 1 makes negative x squared. And then those all-important parentheses with the minus in front. And x to the fifth minus x to the fifth is gone, and that's what we're trying to do. 0 minus negative 1 would be plus 1, so that's x to the fourth. 0 minus 0 is still 0. Negative minus a negative would be negative plus negative, negative plus, so that'd be a 0, is what I'm trying to say badly there. And then bringing down the 0 here. So now we have this line that we're working on, and I'm trying to make x cubed look like x to the fourth. So to do that, I'd have to multiply by a positive x. That's what you see right here. And then I just went x times all of this stuff again and messed it up a little bit right there, but you can see there's what I got. And then I do my subtraction again, being really careful with those minus and minuses and the parentheses, because it's really easy to make an error. And got to here. And then I go again, I say, what do I multiply x cubed by to make it x cubed? Not a trick question, it already is x cubed, so I just need to do a 1, because 1 times x cubed will get me that x cubed again. So then I'm just going 1 times all of this, going right here again, and doing my subtraction. And then that gets me to my remainder. And then it just happened to be that what we got is the remainder and the answer happen to be the same polynomials. So this part is for that first box, and then it's plus this over this for the remainder. So there's a remainder. Yeah, that one's pretty nasty and really, really, even if you know what you're doing, it's a very easy one to make a sign error on, and I would never ever pick that as a test question, just saying. So hopefully that helps out for that.